This is our reversible griddle, totally portable, comes with a bag, and I've got breakfast going right now. What I love about this unit is it has a lid. So it's a grill slash griddle that's totally, it's all cast iron, okay? Cast iron griddle that's reversible. I've got my breakfast going right now with some eggs, bacon, and some French toast. And what I love about this, it gives you enough surface area. It's 117 square inches of surface area on this grill or on this griddle. And it allows you to do larger things. I think most outdoor griddles, they're a little bit smaller. This one works out fantastic. It's either countertop, tabletop. It works out too as a great little addition to a grill, a barbecue grill that you might have at home already. I love it too because it's the perfect size for camping. And I mentioned it comes with a bag, so it's portable. You can literally throw it in the trunk of your car or put it in the back of your truck and take it with you wherever you want to go. What's great about it though is it gives you that option of doing your breakfast like I just served up right here. Or you can use that griddle. Earlier I did some of these cheesesteak sandwiches, okay? This all can be done easily on the flat side of the griddle. It also comes with a little drain trough here, so any of the greases that drip off go right down into this drain trough. Super easy to clean. You really don't even have to season this. I would recommend throwing some hot oil on it or some oil on it first. Fire it up really good. Get that oil a little bit seasoned onto the grill grate or the grate or the griddle surface. And then it's reversible. So you're seeing the griddle side right here, but look at this. I can just flip this over and now I've got a portable grill with the actual grill grates. Now, when I lift this up and show you underneath, you can see it's a full horseshoe burner in there. It's 1,500 BTUs, so super, super hot, but it's also adjustable. So I can adjust the knob here in the front to go, by the way, it's all propane, which I'll show you here in a second too. I can adjust it from low all the way up to high, which is 1,500 BTUs. You can also start it. So if I want to turn this off, I can stop, turn it off, and then start it by pushing and turning, and it lights automatically. So it's super, super easy to use. You'll notice I've got it hooked up right now with one of these portable propane bottles that you can get at any home store or hardware store, or camping store. But any type of propane bottle will hook up to this, including one of the larger ones. Now, while this, which I'll show you on the next grill I've got going over here, I'm gonna throw these burgers out here, and I'll tell you what, you can hear how hot this gets with that 15,000 BTUs. I'm gonna throw a few burgers on the grill, get those going for lunch, and I've got some beautiful dogs here too. I'm gonna throw those out here as well. And literally in minutes, your lunch is gonna be done. This grills them up beautifully. And what I love about this for camping purposes, because I do a lot of outdoor stuff, whether you're in your backyard, at a picnic table in a campsite, or whether maybe you're tailgating or home gating in your driveway, it's got that lid. So you can close this down. You don't have to worry about leaves, birds. You don't have to worry about any of that stuff, or the wind, which can affect the cooking surface, the heat of the cooking surface. So it keeps that heat in, keeps the flavor inside, so it infuses that food with its own juices, and it fits perfectly in the trunk of your car. That's what I love about it. Now, I got to show you this too, because Lifesmart also includes, because I told you it's portable, which, by the way, let me flip these steaks real quick before I show you this. We'll flip these over. Beautiful grill marks. We threw these steaks on about 6 minutes ago, and you can see that they're already grilling up beautifully. I'm going to flip them, do them another 5 minutes on this side. We'll close this down. Oh, here, I'm going to throw some of these peppers on here too. We'll grill up some veggies with our steaks. And what's really great about this, though, is the versatility and the portability. Even though it's 117 square inches, which is enough to do 4 large steaks, or, like I'm showing you here, steaks and veggies, I can close this down, and as an accessory to any grill that you may have at home already, we include this 3-foot long extension hose that you can hook up to whatever propane bottle that you may have on your grill already. So if you have a little side table on the grill that you have at home right now in the backyard, it fits perfect right there. Or you can set it up on a picnic table or a backyard table like I have it here. I think one of the fantastic things about this, though, is how portable it is. We include the carry bag with handles to set it up. It's so simple. I'm going to move this cutting board and show you guys, because this, I think, is probably the biggest feature that I love, is the portability. You can unzip the bag, take the entire unit out, set it up on a picnic table, take it out of the trunk of your car, put it wherever you want it, okay? Now you have it ready to go, and everything packages inside the case. So when I open this up, I can show you that inside here, we not only have the grill grate and the griddle plate, okay? We also, let me get that lid on here properly in that bag. When I open this up, it also has room for your regulator and the small propane bottle, which I have one right here. You can even keep this inside. Everything stores perfectly inside, so you can take this with you wherever you decide you want to have a grill. Now you have it. Or a griddle. This plate is solid cast iron, so it's not going to, you'll never wear this thing out. And because of the portability, I mean, how simple is that to set up, and easy to clean too.